at it again with another video. Man, it's your boy, Luke Kang from Luke Kang's Kicks. Alright, we got a great video for y'all today, man. It's coming straight out of 1996, alright? Before we get into this video, I just need y'all to do me one favor, one time for the one time, alright? Hit that button for your boy, alright? Here we go. Hey, we teaching history up over here too. You know what I'm saying? We are teaching history, alright? So, look, if y'all don't know this, man, if y'all don't know this shoe, alright, I'm finna give y'all the whole history. We finna run it, alright? Let's go.
Now takes the 18-footer, rolls off, rebound, check with one hand. Turns and wheels it to Garrett. Here the Sonics get a chance to take the lead again. Pierce left side. Works on Hardaway to the baseline. Slapped away from behind. Ricky goes back to get it. Fires across court. Kemp's got it right up into the eye. Power shot! Into Lister's face. And the Sonics take the lead. 48-47. Woo! The Rain
Kamikaze 2. Sonics original colorway. Alright? Look at that. Look at that. So, this is from Reebok, y'all. Alright? Y'all know I usually do Jordan videos and Nike and everything. Hey, Iverson has been some people that put Reebok on the map. Alright? Shawn Kemp was one of those guys. He was one of those guys. We're going to go through the shoe. We're going to talk about it. We're going to kick it. You already know how I do. All right? Look. So, Kamikaze 2. Re-release date. October 23rd, 2020. All right? We got a Ortholite insole up in there. Okay? Reebok is using the Hexalite technology. Y'all can't even see it on the midsole of the shoe, right? But it's there on the bottom. Y'all see the honeycombs? Right? We got the honeycombs on the bottom. Okay? So look, let's go through the shoe real quick. We got a nubuck black overlay right here, running down. Alright? We got leather, white leather, you know what I'm saying? And it is buttery. The quality is great on these. Okay? It is actually a great hoop shoe. It's comfortable. Going through it, it's buttery. You know what I mean? Look, from the Sonics from 1996. Let's get both of these together for you. You see the top. I'm gonna see the side panels. All right, and then we get a good look at the bottoms. All right. The colorway is called Utility Green. Got that on the back. We got one here on the forefoot. All right. So look, y'all can't see this honeycomb display really. You know what I mean? Like real good. It's not displayed on the side. But look, it's another shoe here by somebody else that's a hooper. And y'all know him for sure. All right. Look at these questions. Y'all get a good look. Alright, at the Hexalite technology, man. And if y'all ever hooped in some Iversons, y'all would know. They comfortable shoes. They lightweight. Alright. Hey, they good shoes. Alright. People are taking these shoes seriously, y'all. You know, another thing that I noticed was that we're using RFID technology, right? So they really paying attention, y'all. On the Sonics as well. This is a Sonic additional, you know what I'm saying, colorway. Look, Reebok not playing about their shoes neither, right? So y'all see that. I just wanted to come back, all right, give y'all another review. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Kamikaze 2s, Sonic colorway. We in there, okay? Straight out of 1996, man. Shawn Kemp was one of the ones. Y'all seen the clip that I put up in there? Running, all right? Look, until next time, okay? Just do me one favor for the one time. Hit that button for your boy, all right? And, yo, if y'all got any comments, you know what I'm saying? Feel free to let me know. I know the younger generation don't know about him. So that's why I'm doing these. These are comfortable shoes, though. You know, it's not just Nike and Jordan that's running the game. All right, Reebok be coming too. Thank y'all. Until next time, I'm out.